arrived at Rocamadour near the Dordogne. Got a very good view of it up here. Beautiful. Well, here I am at Rocamadour. Stunning city, town, here in the Dordogne. Absolutely tremendous. Good to get away from the campsite and the Brummie. I do hope he found his underpants in the end. So now heading down to Carcassonne, in that area, and then day after crossing over the Pyrenees into Spain.
And here we have foie gras on bread with a bit of salt.
So I'm on my way to Albi and then to Carcassonne, but I thought I'd give a brief history of the Cathars, who are a religious sect that flourished in southern Europe, particularly in the Languedoc region of France, during the 12th and 13th centuries. They were also known as Albigensians, named after the city of Albi, a major centre of Catharism. They were immortalised in modern literature. Maybe immortalised is a little too much, but in the book Labyrinth by Kate Moss, which I have not read, but many people I know have. They seem to like it quite a lot. That talks a lot about the Cathars. But it is believed to have roots in earlier dualistic movements such as Gnosticism and Manichaeism. Cathars believed in a dualistic worldview where the material world was created by an evil god, while the spiritual world was created by a good god. They believed that human souls were trapped in the material world and could only be liberated through a process of purification and spiritual enlightenment. The Cathars were tolerated for a time, but as their influence grew, the Catholic Church began to see them as a threat. In early 13th century, Pope Innocent III declared a crusade against the Cathars, known as the Albigensian Crusade. This brutal conflict lasted for over 20 years and resulted in the massacre of thousands of Cathars and the destruction of their communities. The Cathar movement was eventually suppressed, but it left a lasting impact on the history of southern France. The Cathars are remembered today for their resistance to the Catholic Church and their unique spiritual beliefs. They are also seen as symbols of the struggle for religious freedom and the victims of a brutal persecution. The Cathar story continues to fascinate historians and researchers, and their legacy remains a topic of debate and discussion.
So funny.